Hey guys, we're back today with another cemetery. Hey guys, let's go explore.
Alright guys, we're just driving in here. We don't know where we're gonna get out and cover.
Let's just do what we do.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna go to the back of the cemetery. Looks like people are getting buried today. Look, the butterfly section. Look at the butterfly section. This is the butterfly section. And here's where I guess, you know, you go talk. The office.
And it's open.
Wow.
Yeah, usually on Saturday, they help you find a grave if you need to.
Okay.
Like if, you know, you forgot where your aunt's buried or you forgot where your neighbor was buried. If you come here and ask them, they'll give you a map usually and tell you where the person's buried.
Wow.
So that's why it's good to come when the office is open.
Yeah, definitely.
It's so beautiful with all the trees.
Yeah. So we're gonna come up here to the right.
Alright
guys, so we just got stopped by a nice lady. We told her, you know, we cover YouTube shows. We're gonna hook a right.
Oh, look at pet grave.
Oh wow,
I don't see that. What's
Wow.
pet grave?
So yeah, look at that, guys. And yeah, we're gonna get out soon, guys. We're gonna head to the back. Alright guys, there's a service going on, so we just gotta be a little mindful. But yeah, coming up on the first grave. She went to make a U-turn. And yeah, guys, it's pretty spectacular here. Rest in peace, whoever's getting buried today. And yeah, we're just gonna walk and show you what I see here. We cover cemeteries all over Port St Lucie County and Brevard County and really all of Florida. So definitely check out the playlist section. And look, here's some graves here. Oh wow, rest in peace. Leaving Hugo. Skippy passed on my birthday. Wow. So the next dog, I love this, man. I got 3 Chihuahuas, so like I love this stuff. This is awesome. Coming up on Bandit. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna take a couple pictures of the pets and move on. Alright guys, we're back in the front. We're gonna cover some graves over here and see what we see. What do you think the temperature is right now?
What?
What do you think the temperature is right now?
Oh, it's gonna be at least 90 something.
Wow, yeah, look at these guys. We showed you when we drove in here. Do not park or drive on the grass. Grave. Yeah, here's the butterfly section. Get some graves over here. Coming up on this. Keep going. Coming up on Thelma. All right, guys, Gina's gonna take over and film, so here we go.
Here we go. Okay guys, we're at the Port St Lucie Cemetery. And we got a couple graves here. Irene, George. Just walking past them. Rest in peace, everybody. We got another picture grave. Oh, this guy was only 18 years old. Rest in peace. That's really sad. Rest in peace, guys. Another heart grave. We've seen a couple of them. Oh, here's another 2 more heart graves with angels. Very nice. Yep, it's hard to make out the name, but here's the other grave with the angel and the heart. Rest in peace, everybody.
Alright guys, this is the last thing we're gonna cover. Just because, you know, we just gotta get out of here. But yeah. Yeah, look. Coming up on this. Thought this was pretty cool. Oh my God, this is the second grave of someone who passed on my birthday. August 20th. And I'm filming this August 17th, guys. So, yeah. We're gonna end it here. We appreciate you watching.
Did you show them the praying hands?
Yeah. Yep. And yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you've been here before. And don't forget, check out the playlist section. And look, we got this over here. And yeah, what'd you think of the cemetery?
It was awesome. It was a beautiful day. Rest in peace, everybody.
Yep.
Another cemetery in the books.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Crazy because the whole time we've been here, leaves keep falling by
Yeah.
the graves we're covering.
Definitely.
Pretty spooky stuff.
Coming up on the last grave, guys.